At some point in your life, you will stop working, either by choice or by necessity. The question is simple: will you have enough money to live on? Most Americans retire with less than $200,000 saved. The average retirement lasts 20 years. $200,000 spread over 20 years is $10,000 per year. That's $833 per month to live on. There is a better way to think about this. Financial planners use a rule called the 4% rule to calculate exactly how much you need to retire. Here's how it works. Every year in retirement, you withdraw 4% of your total savings. If your investments are returning around 7 to 10% annually, which historically they do, withdrawing only 4% means your money never runs out. So the question becomes, how much do you spend per year? If you spend $40,000 per year, you need $1 million saved. If you spend $60,000 per year, you need $1,500,000 saved. If you spend $30,000 per year, you need $750,000 saved. Your retirement number isn't random, it's a calculation, and now you know how to do it. Here's where most people give up. They see a number like $1 million and assume it's impossible. It isn't, not even close. $500 a month, invested consistently in a low-cost index fund at a historical average return of 10% per year. In 30 years, that's over $1 million. Not because you earned more, not because you got lucky, because of compound interest, the most powerful force in personal finance. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest each month. Start at $25, $300 per month. Start at $35, $800 per month. Start at $45, $2,200 per month. Same destination, very different monthly cost. Starting today is always cheaper than starting tomorrow. Here's the exact plan to follow. Step 1, calculate your retirement number. Take your current annual spending, divide it by 4%. That's your target. Step 2, open a retirement account. In the U.S., a 401k or a Roth IRA gives you significant tax advantages on top of your investment returns. If your employer matches 401k contributions, that is free money. Take it, always. Step 3, automate your monthly contribution. Set it up once, forget it's there. Every month, money moves in automatically. You never see it, you never spend it, it just grows. Retirement isn't about luck, it isn't about income, it's about starting, and starting as early as possible. $1 million sounds like a number for other people, but $500 a month, invested consistently for 30 years, is all it takes. The only question is, when do you start? Next week, we'll break down the single biggest money mistake most people make in their 20s and 30s, and exactly how to avoid it.